2022 Kia Telluride, with less than 36,000 miles on the odometer. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.